my flat. Did you miss it? Yeah, this week I'm screen printing, I'm restocking all the t-shirts, and also I'm printing a lot of sweatshirts. I have ordered over 400 pieces. But yeah, this is not gonna be the normality, because yeah, in a couple of weeks we are gonna move to the new flat that is downstairs. It's not like I'm gonna have more space, no. My studio room is gonna be pretty small. It's fairly similar to the external studio that I'm renting. It's obvious that it would be better if I had a huge workspace, but that is not a reality that's gonna happen anytime soon, no. To be honest, I've been loving to be back home. I mean, to be working here at home. I don't know, I feel a bit more at home. Yeah, I feel a bit more at ease. While in the external studio, I always felt a bit like a stranger and doing my own things, which yeah makes sense, because anyway, yeah, that is not my house. A very small portion of this stuff is gonna be for the pre-order, and I'm gonna send them out next week. And to do that, I have to bring them to the studio, but it's gonna be probably something like 20, a bit over 20 items, I believe, something like that. So yeah, it's gonna be easy to carry to the studio and pack them. I have to sort out what I have to print, because today we are gonna print the Pizza Raccoon t-shirt. The Pizza Raccoon is the usual one, yeah, the one that you know since the beginning. I wanted to record while I was printing the new cat t-shirt, but I lost the charger for my camera, so I had to buy a new one. So here basically I wrote down all the different sizes and colors that I have, then I split it according to the design. So we had to do a lot of stuff today. Generally when I'm printing, I prefer to do it all in one go, but yeah, it's quite intense. I have been printing every day something like 100 items. It's tiring. I'm afraid that today is gonna be even more. I don't even know where I'm gonna put them. But yeah, let's get cracking. Oh man, these are gonna be so many. I don't know how many I'm gonna print today. Is it too heavy for this? Okay, I set up everything. I'm gonna put the screen, and before you saw me spreading some kind of white glue. Yeah, it's a low-tack glue that helps to hold the t-shirts down. So this is one of the big benefits of using a print press. Okay, first we have to check the position. One of the bad things about working on this very short table is that I have to bend so much. So this is why it's so tiring. I mean, yeah, after a while I can feel it on my back. So yeah, this setup for sure is not ideal, but yeah, in the new studio I'm gonna have a higher table. Before starting everything, I iron the t-shirt. I fold it half and I iron in the middle, so I get this central line, and this helps me a lot to align centrally, yeah, the t-shirt, because otherwise, yeah, the risk that maybe you put it a bit wonky and then the design is gonna turn out wonky. So yeah, this is a little trick. Of course, it takes time to iron all the t-shirts, all the 400 t-shirts, but yeah, I think it's worth it. If you've been watching my vlogs since the beginning, last year, before buying my first press, I was printing on my desk. That didn't work for me. I know that many people manage to print directly on the desk, so that is a very, very cheap setup, but no, not for me, guys. I got so many misprints. Okay, I'm happy now with the position. What I do now is removing this t-shirt because I want to do a test print. I'm not gonna do it on a good t-shirt. For my test prints, I use some t-shirts that didn't turn out well, so then I keep using over and over. Okay, well, we're about to start. I use this old tape as a base where I put my squeegee. Oh my god, look, I almost ran out of ink here. And I'm gonna put some juicy ink. And now we fluid the screen. It prevents the ink to dry on the screen, because water-based ink, it tends to dry fairly quickly. It depends also on the weather conditions. If it's very hot, I think, yeah, it dries up quicker. And we... okay, no, I didn't. Yeah. Basically, so I laid a thin layer of ink over the design. And now I'm gonna push it down, and now we go. See how it turns out. Yeah, all good. Maybe it looks good and perfect and clean. So we can start. And something that I have to do immediately after is fluiding again the ink. Yeah, if I manage to do it properly. And now we go. Look at this. Mwah. Now we print on a white t-shirt. This is actually a off-white t-shirt, so it is not pure white, as you can see. But for this one I do 2 extra strokes. Perfect. Looks good. Okay, now stop talking. I'm gonna print lots and lots and lots of t-shirts. Let's go. Problem. One t-shirt got stained and I don't know how. Where does it come from? I can't see it. Or I touched maybe the squeegee. I don't know. What the? So apparently I stained myself somewhere. How? Hey guys, I had some troubles with with my raccoon. No, basically I smudged the whole screen, so I had to wash it, and since yeah, now it has to dry, I decided to do another design. And yeah, it's a chubby cat gang. unfortunately I'm very low on the ink. I'm gonna print just a few of them because then I have to print the pre-orders of the Sweatshirts. At least I want to give the priority to the pre-orders, so then I can send them as soon as possible. But yeah, I want to show you while I print the Chubby Cat t-shirt. So yeah, this is a back print, so it's on the back, while in the front there's a small cat that I will print. Yeah, I don't know, another moment. But yeah, it's such a shame that I ran out of ink. Yesterday I ordered a new bucket. Yeah, I don't know when it's gonna arrive, also because now there are also a lot of strikes by Royal Mail. So this is a very large print. It took me a while to figure out how to align everything. And here it is. Okay. I spaced just on the floor. I need to check which pre-orders of Sweatshirts I got, so I'm gonna make them now. Oh, good. So yeah, we are very low on blue, but we have also another color option, which is red on mustard. I'm gonna show you. These are mustard Sweatshirts and they are very pretty. I'll show you. And here you go. I really like it.